So we're at the final two calculations, 19 and 20. And in question 19, it asks us, what is the molarity of a 1% weight per volume solution of glucose? So we know already that 1% is equal to 1 gram in 100 mils. Isn't that right? That was the equation we said we'd remember, one of them. So what's the molarity of it? But molarity means we need to have the molecular weight. So if you go back to an earlier question in the list, we learned in question 14 that the molecular weight of glucose was 180. So we know that 1 molar is equal to 180 grams in a litre. So how are we going to find out what molarity the 1% solution was? So if it's 1 gram in 100 mils and we want to get that to a litre, we multiply it by 10 and then subsequently multiply this 1 by 10. So we'd know that in a litre it's going to be 10 grams per litre, right? That's the equivalent, same idea. So the question we really have to answer is, what's the molarity of 10 grams per litre? So we're going to do the equations like I've shown you before. We'll get the calculator and we'll say 1 divided by 180 multiplied by 10 is equal to, and the answer we get is 0.055556, so it would be 0.056 molar, right? So that'd be our molarity of the 1% solution. So that was quite an easy calculation. And this one, our final sum. A solution of a compound is maintained at a stock solution at 5 millimolar. So that's our stock solution. What's the final concentration in which we mix a few things together? Okay, so let's look at what they're asking us to mix. We have 0.15 of the stock solution. Okay. We have 0.4 of a buffer, and it says we have 0.2 of water. So if we total it up, all the components together add up to 0.75 mil, correct? 0.75 mil. So that's what we have in a little, say a tube now is 0.75 milliliters when we mix these three together. And what I want you to think about here is how much of that 0.75 is from the stock bottle. And we have it here in the pink font, 0.15. So 0.15 of what's in the tube right now is your stock solution. And 0.15 is a fifth of that total volume. So it means that you have done a 1 in 5 solution, right? You have a 1 part in 5, or a 1 in 5, or 1 in 5 as a fraction. And if we have a 5 millimolar solution, and you did a 1 in 5 dilution, it'll be 5 times more dilute, which will give you the answer of 1 millimolar, which is the final answer then. So that's your 20 calculations. I hope you found the tutorials helpful. Please refer back to those. I'll present them again for you, so you know this is really key points, is that 1 molar is equal to the molecular weight in grams per litre. And the second equation was that 1% is equal to 1 gram in 100 mils. Alright, those two equations are going to be really important for you to be able to apply them in the right situation. And I think it's clear from the 20 questions, you really have to put attention into reading the questions to make sure you're going to answer them in the correct way, correct volume, and so on. But I hope you found them helpful. Okay.